As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we're doing a mail call because I felt like I haven't done a mail call in a while. Plus, I have a lot of different things to show you guys that I have received in the mail. Also, if you guys haven't already, go check out this video. This is my latest build for the Diecast Mafia. This is my truck build, and I think it turned out great. So if you wanted to see how that went, go check out the video. Alright, so first we got 3 packages, and the first one I got is from Matchbox Mark. He sent me a message a while ago. Be careful when using knives. Probably 3 or 4 days ago. It is Sunday, the 16th. I should have posted a video updating everyone on the 500 giveaway giveaway that I'm doing. But as of right now, I do not have that prize because it's getting sent to me into the mail. And I hope you guys get very excited for that because it is big. The next prize for this month is really, really big. So I hope it gets everyone even more excited than I am. So let's see what Mark has done for us today. Okay. Drill Hulk. So what is this? Okay, so it looks like they're drill bits, obviously. But I'm guessing it's the right size drill bits for what we do here. So that's awesome. Mark, thank you for that. Let's see what else you sent me, because when I was looking at this thing, that's cool. Freaking, it was $9. I was like, what's in here? Okay, what's this? A proper screwdriver. That's cool for, I'm guessing, the little screws. A hand tap. Wow, that's cool. It's a handle drill. That's cool. That's cool. There's one more thing in here. There's a couple more things in here. Okay. And there's one more. Look. Oh, cool. Okay. So we did get a note. So let's hey Cole, enjoy these trending tools. I know you need them. It is my thank you for the trucks. Thank you. You sent me. Oh, Mark. Well, Mark, you are welcome, buddy. I thought you could use the trucks more than I can. Also, he sent me some butthead screws. That's awesome. I needed these. And it looks like a tap, and I'm not sure what that is. You're going to have to tell me what this is, Mark. But thank you, man. It was in need for actually all of this stuff. So I really, really appreciate it. You know where it's going? It's going in this drawer right here. We're going to put all this stuff in here. Because this will go out for a while, but we're going to put everything in here. And I really appreciate it, man. Thank you. I will use all of this stuff when I need to, and you will see it on my channel. So I really appreciate it, Mark. That is awesome. So cool. We'll keep that. Next box is from Mike's Mods and Customs. Kind of just jumping into this one right now, guys, because I really wanted to just jump right into it. So I purchased a couple cars from him. He is selling cars that he got out of a collection. So I bought a couple that I was very, very interested in. And he, believe it or not, it was funny, he kind of made a mistake on one of the cars. But I will be sending this to another builder shortly and soon. So this is the first one. It's the Andy Griffin one. I wanted the Blues Brother car, but again, he made a mistake, and mistakes happen. So this is one of the cars, and it's very cool. I actually like it a lot, but I will send it off to that one friend of his, and you will be receiving that shortly. I think you might follow me, but I'm not sure. But look out for this. And the second car that is actually from me was this one. This the Showwad's Mercury. I don't have a Merc, and I always wanted a Merc, so I got myself a Merc. And it looks like it comes with a turntable type thing, and it comes with the car. So that's pretty cool. I will open this and it'll be displayed. We'll see if this turntable thing works. And if it does, then we'll start using it for other things. So that's cool. Alright. Make sure there's nothing else in here. There's not. That's cool. Box is going in the pile. And now we're moving on to our last box of the evening. Again, this is just a quick video. Nothing crazy. Note needs to go in the note box. It is... So the last box, before I go any further, is from our friend Robin up in Canada. And he sent me something personal of his. And he said he sent me a couple other things too. So he said he traded me, actually. I'm doing a couple builds for him on the side. You guys won't see him, but you might see him on his YouTube channel. And he did a really good packaging there. So I remember what he sent me here. So it is the Hall of Fame Hot Wheels 57 Chevy. It's the Greatest Rides edition. This thing is very cool. It has some rear riders, and it has a metal base. And that looks very, very cool. And it's old, but it's cool. And this will be going in the collection, and I cannot wait to have it on the wall with all the rest of the cars. Oh, wow, I didn't even notice that. There's detail in this, too, in the grille and in the headlights. That's very cool. So, Robin, thank you for this. And he also informed me that there was something else in the box, and I had to wait and see what it is. So, let's see what we got here. So, there's a bag, and then there was a little box here. So, let's see what we got. I'm going to put this off to the side, and we're going to see what's in here. Let's see what's in this little box. I apologize if you guys hear the washing machine. Okay. Whoa, what's this? Wow, is that it? Or is there another one? Oh, there's another one. So, if a lot of you know Robin, and you all know he does some folk art. And this is his folk art. This is actually a piece of wood that he built into a motorcycle. This is quite impressive. I bet you guys, if you go talk to Robin, he would build you guys some motorcycles or any car that you would want out of wood. I bet you he would. Robin, thank you, man, for the car and the bikes. I will treasure these forever. These are very cool, and I very appreciate you sending them to me. Also, thank you, Mark, for sending me the tools. I will be using these a lot, and I really appreciate you sending me these. I was in need of them, like you said in your note. And also, Mike, thank you for sending these the Merc. I know we had a deal that you were going to do something, a little surprise for me to make up for the Andy Griffin car mistake. Again, don't worry about that, man. Accidents happen, and we all learn from our mistakes. So don't you worry about it. We'll get that resolved, and I will send that car off to your friend like you asked, and we'll be all good to go. So, guys, thank you for stopping by the fish tank, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and today's video is the May update for the 500 subscriber giveaway. So, if you remember, back in, I think it was January, I announced that I wanted to do my 500 subscriber giveaway. And what I was going to do was I was going to make a set of videos until July, because that's the goal I want to hit. I want to hit my goal in July, hopefully hit 500 subscribers in July or before. And if we hit them before July, I'll add 5 more prizes. So you guys know the whole routine. If you need to go watch some of the other videos, please do, and to see the other prizes. We got a lot of cool things, a lot of cool cars, and a lot of cool stuff. So this time around, I am not doing a review on the prizes, but I got something very excited to share for you guys for the May prize. And Paul over at Diecast Graveyard contacted me about a month ago asking if he could help out with my giveaway. And I told Paul, like I always do, of course, man, how can you help and how would you like to help? And he asked me, would you like me to send you one of my builds? And I told him, of course, that would be fantastic, Paul. And he sent me a picture or two of the car, and I was like, wow, that is beautiful. I cannot wait to receive the car, Paul. And he sent me the car just a week ago, because everyone knows he was gone for a while for a business trip, and he finally had the time to send me it and make a new card for it. So this is very, very exciting. So further ado, I cannot wait to show you this right now. I'm just excited. I'm kind of just jumping into it. But this is the car for the May update. So he sent it to me. It's a Gasser Dodge Charger 500, and it has wheel riders, and it comes in the case. And he, of course, signed it. Very cool. And he has these new hologram stickers that he showed me that he made for his customs. So it's like authorized and it's like his stuff. So guys, this is the next prize for my 500 subscriber giveaway. This is very exciting. And Paul, I wanted to thank you again for sending me this. I really appreciate it, man. And I really hope people get even more excited for this giveaway now, since you have provided this awesome piece of Diecast memorabilia for people to have. So guys, you know the deal. If you're new here, go watch the video, the first video, and comment CDC 500. That link will be down below. And let's get this rolling. If you guys want a chance to win, you got to comment in that video. No other videos will count. In this one, it won't count. Just that first video. So guys, thank you for stopping by the fish tank. I also wanted to remind you that me and Ron have this build that is coming out on Saturday. So make sure, if you have a moment of time, to check it out. And there's a lot of other builds coming up in the future, and I know you guys know this because I always show my little credits that go here and in the middle of the screen here. So let me know, by the way, guys, if you want me to keep doing that. I know it's kind of busy and annoying sometimes, but I think it helps you guys to keep you guys updated on what is going on. Again, guys, thank you for stopping by the fish tank. And remember, this is the prize for this month. So this is very exciting and very, very big. I was honestly thinking about keeping it for myself, but since I know me and Paul are talking and possibly potentially doing some friendly build-offs with each other, I decided I am going to give this away and let someone else enjoy it. So guys, thank you again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.